it's your favorite French YouTuber. Now, on this channel too. I wonder, are most of you guys from my main channel or did you find this channel first? Comment below, because I want to know. So today, I am not feeling too Gucci. That's why we're gonna open up some Gucci to hopefully feel more Gucci. Alright, so I don't know. I ate something today. It was a salad. A salad made me sick to my stomach. I felt like throwing up the whole day. I took a nap. I still didn't feel good. And now here we are. But I wanted to upload on this channel and I wanted to show you guys what I got in Vegas because I went on a little trip. Me and my friends went to the 9 Inch Nails concert and we did some shopping. And I wanted to upload more videos on this channel. So I thought I would do a haul and show you guys what I got. Because I didn't really want to open them until I showed you guys what I got. Okay, so, oof. As y'all know, Bath & Body Works did that one day a year where they had $9 candles. I have never seen Bath & Body Works so damn lit before. So I wanted to show you guys the ones that I got. I know like every other basic bitch out there. I had to get some candles too. These smell so good. I just want to show them to you guys so I can light them. So we went in the afternoon because my friend Mar thought they were gonna be sold out, but no. Let me tell you, they got an infinite stock of candles in the back and they kept bringing them out on carts, restocking them every time they were done. So I was able to get some. I got 7 just because I don't know. I thought, I don't know, some people were walking out with like 5 cases of these and I thought that was a little too much. You know, I still got some from last year. Oh God, I can't stop smelling this. So I was surprised these ones were on sale too because it was like the aromatherapy ones. This one is rose and vanilla. I've never seen this one before. This one smells divine. We got the usual, what I like my house to smell like. Cinnamon caramel swirl. It's like grandma baked some cinnamon rolls. This is what that smells like. Oh God. I don't know, my friends don't like the super sweet fresh baked goods smells, but let me tell you, I love the smell of fresh baked goods, okay? Those are my favorite scents. I got a chestnut and clove. Smells clean. I wish you guys could smell it. When are they gonna do this kind of technology where I could do this and y'all can look through your screen and smell with me? Elon Musk, we need that technology. What you doing? This one is mahogany teak wood. Basically what Abercrombie smells like. Oh God, I am so congested right now. I think I'm getting sick too. Need some H2O. I can barely smell these candles. Oh, I think this was my favorite. Campfire donut. This is what it smells like when you walk into a Krispy Kreme. This one's really pretty. This one's fresh balsam. Balsam. I just love this one. Some of them have really pretty jars. Oh, I love this jar too. It's just like a plain white glass. Love it. It's called Winter. And this one just smells nice. Smells like winter. Duh. Alright, so I went to Saks. This Saks in Vegas is so big. Like the one that we have in Phoenix sucks. This one in Vegas had more stuff on sale, just on sale, than my entire store here in Phoenix. So, I don't know. Your girl got a pretty good deal on silk PJ pants. So I've always wanted silk PJ pants. And these are just, they're high-waisted too. So I got hella lucky with these. The only thing that's missing that would make these absolutely perfect is pockets. And they have like lace down the side. I'll show you them in a sec, but these are $130. I know it's pricey, but they were $325. So that's like a really good sale. Otherwise, I wouldn't have bought these if they were full price. And the brand is Fleur du Mal. I am in love with these. So these are the pants. I'm just obsessed because they're like so soft and comfy. I love the lace. Oh, I want to live in these. I'm just gonna wear them now. So I already took this out. I got it from Saks. Oh, by the way, look how adorable this is. They wrap up the bag with a ribbon. And this ribbon is so cute. It's snowflakes. I am a sucker for nice packaging. So I got a helmet. I don't even know how to say this. Helmut Lang. Helmut Lang. I like the color of this hoodie. I honestly just bought it because it was on sale. I thought this would be like a really nice hoodie, but you know, you should always try on something before you buy it. This was over $300 and I got it on sale for $118. Because you know, I thought it was like a really nice designer hoodie. You know, I might just crop it. I might just cut it because this whole part at the bottom is just really baggy and doesn't like fit right right over my butt and makes me look weird. I don't like it. I really don't like it. So I'm either gonna cut it into a crop top, which I feel horrible about because I'm probably gonna mess it up and ruin this hoodie, then I can't return it. Or I could just return it. So I don't know. Comment below, what should I do? I really like the material of this, but see, it's like, if I wear it the long way, I don't know, I feel like it looks weird. I don't know. I like it when it either covers your butt completely like that, or it's like above like that. I don't like it when it's like that weird like mid. Like I could either wear it as a dress or I like it cropped. So I think I'm just gonna crop this. See, I don't know. It doesn't look cute. All right, so your girl had to go to Forever 21 and I got this adorable sweater dress. I don't know. Some people hate this stuff. Some people love it. What do you guys think? Because I love this kind of stuff. I kind of wish it wasn't a dress and it was just like, actually, I'm okay with it being a dress. It's like a very warm sweater dress and I need that sometimes. Like when I went to Vegas, it was freezing. I know I talk a lot of smack about living in Phoenix and about how there's nothing here, but I take a lot of the things for granted. Like every time I travel, I realize that. I know it's literally hell in summer and most of the year, but the few months we get of cold weather is like 70s. So I think it's very nice during this time of year. So it doesn't get too cold. But Vegas, it was actually really, really cold. And I just recently came back from Toronto. And Toronto is probably the coldest place I have ever been to. And everybody's like, what are you talking about? It's not even that cold yet. I'm not used to this weather, okay? I know I'm sounding very bougie right now, but I am not used to this weather. I cannot handle the cold. Okay. All right, this little dress, again, I wish I had pockets just because I like putting my hands somewhere, especially when it's cold. I just have this really bad habit with tags where I just take off the tag right away as soon as I bought it. But now I've been leaving the tag on till I get home. I try it on and I actually like it. And that's when, and only when, I take off the tag. Sometimes I'll even leave it on till I actually wear it, just to make sure I don't want to return it. Oh, I love this. This is another sweater I got for Forever 21. It's kind of itchy, which is the only bad part, but I don't know. My skin is very sensitive to like some materials and I think this is acrylic. This is everything I want in a sweater. Like it has the cute holiday design. I don't know what kind of design that is. I just associate it with holiday stuff, right? And then it has a thick turtleneck. I love this. I love chunky turtlenecks. And then you could pull it and make it even tighter and just like, if someone's bothering you or you just want to get away from the world, you could just put it up like that. I don't know, just take a nap or something. Kind of itchy, but obsessed with this. And I love how it's cut right here. So it's like kind of cropped, but not really. If you ever want to hide from the world, so easy. Just kidding. I just like having something around my neck like this that I could like hide in whenever I have to. I got this little tank top thing. I don't know. It was cheap. It's pink velvet. It's cute. Will I ever wear it? Probably not. Maybe I'll sleep in it. This is like really cute and soft to sleep in, so I think I'll do that. What else do I have here? Okay, so Forever 21, I got this choker. It was $10. I needed something bougie for the red carpet and I don't know, it was kind of really last minute and I don't have anything to wear, but at least I'll have something for my neck. Oh, I love this. I don't know where I'll wear this or if I'll ever wear it, but I am in love with this shirt. I got this from Forever 21 today. It was like $20, which is kind of a lot for their shirts, but this one is just like, it looks expensive. Like Free People would be selling the same thing for like at least $60. I know you guys can't really see it. Let me just try it on. It's kind of hard to see. I know this will match my hat. My hair is hella dirty, okay? But yeah, it's like a navy. It's kind of black. And it's got lace and I love it. Okay, let's bring on the big boys. So we went to Gucci. We had to go to 2 different Gucci's because one of them, they were kind of rude and we just left without me buying my shoes. As soon as these came out, I wanted these really bad. I thought they were gorgeous and every time I go to the Gucci store, I'd eye them. I'm like, oh my God, I need those. But will I ever wear them? Probably not. Then you shouldn't get them. I know. But I want them. So I got them. And I think I will wear them. They're so perfect. They're not for everybody. A lot of people think these are hideous. I think these are the most gorgeous shoes. Look at them. I think Trisha Paytas has these. The Graveyard Girl got them too. Sometimes I feel like as a YouTuber, I feel like I need to make stupid purchases like this. Honestly, I don't think it's stupid if it makes me happy. Like, I wanted these. Okay, so the jewels, they are removable. So you could take them off, wear it as a sneaker. But where's the fun in that? I just love the jewels. Like, if you guys could see this detail, obsessed. And over here, it says Gucci. What really made me love these is how they make your feet look so cute. Like, I don't know what it is about the design, but it makes your feet look smaller. And that's usually a struggle with me with other sneakers. I don't have, like, small feet. I have, like, a size 8 foot. These look dirty. Why do these look dirty? This one's not dirty, but this one's dirty. Why is this one so dirty? I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but this one's the clean one. This is the dirty one. It like has like makeup on it or something over there. Ew, these have been walked in. I didn't walk in them. Wow. Like, look, do you see this? Like, this is dirty. It's been walked in. I thought they were like brand new and like came wrapped up and everything. It's like when I'm paying this much for something, I want it brand new and perfect. I don't want like dirty and used up like this. I might actually return these. That's stupid. That's really stupid. I should have checked them in the stores because I knew exactly what size I wanted when I went to the other store and I didn't even bother looking at them. I think I might just swap them out or buy them online. Disappointing. All right, I hope this one's new. Thank you. I've been so sneezy. Okay, so over here we got, oh, packaged so beautifully, a Louis Vuitton, and we're gonna open this. So I saw these online and I'm like, oh my god, these are so stupid and they're so gorgeous and I need them. This is not my style. It's like we're opening a door to a dungeon or something. So these are so extra. These are not me at all. Like, I would never in a million years like wear these. But you know, my friend Mar bought them and I bought them too. So we have matching pink Louis Vuitton shoes. But I mean, she goes to like all these beauty events and she can actually wear these. So the heel is not that high. So I can actually wear these. I hate high heels. Well, I don't hate them. I just can't wear them. I keep telling myself I'm never gonna buy another Louis Vuitton shoe again because they're very uncomfortable. But then they come out with this beautiful ass shoe. It looked much better online because you can actually like see this thing and it was just really pretty. Ugh, I love it. You know me, just gonna finish up my videos, chill in a robe, just wear these, walk around my house. I also bought these because they're a limited edition and I see them being as like a collector's item in the future, just something that's rare, and most of the sizes were sold out and I just thought it was like a good thing to have. I don't know. Do I really have to justify me buying these? I don't know. I just want to buy them. I will show you what they look like. Let me take my socks off for these. Oh, and did I mention they're satin, by the way, so they match my pants. Oh god, you guys do not want to see my feet. Y'all hear that? That ASMR? That's from my crusty ass heel. Show you real quick. Cute? Yes? No? Comment below. They're like a fuzzy slipper. They're so extra. Where would I possibly wear these? I don't know. I need like a Barbie dress. Maybe one day I'll be Barbie for Halloween and I'll wear these. Cinderella will be like, oops, I done lost my slipper again. Just kidding. But anyways, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below and let me know what other kind of videos you guys want to see on this channel. And make sure you hit that like button in the face. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.